Hello, this is cjhoyle, and it's a beautiful sunny Sunday here in the city of Toronto, and I'm just outdoors enjoying this day, and I decided that I would set up the camera so I can make a video, so I could give two quick updates. The first one has to do with videos. It's been a while since I posted any YouTube videos to my channel, and anytime that happens, I end up getting a fair number of emails, messages, comments from people who are kind of concerned about me, wondering, hey, sort of, what's going on? Is everything okay? And just to answer that, everything is good with me. I'm just a guy that has a lot of hobbies, and making YouTube videos is just one of those hobbies. And so I've been making videos now for almost 14 years, and over that time my output has, fluctuated quite a bit from year to year. And so right now, I'm not making a lot of videos, and that's just because I'm, focusing in on my other hobbies. But I, of course, will be making more videos, and in fact, I filmed a number of videos last summer that I've been taking this winter, the colder months now, to put those videos together to be able to post. And one of those videos is actually almost ready. It's actually a video that I filmed last June during my trip to Iqaluit, Nunavut. While I was there, I posted a couple of videos from that trip, but there's one more video that I'm working on, and that was from the evening that I went dog sledding. So that video will be ready within a week or so, I anticipate. So that'll be a while, but the other update is about something that you can actually go and check out right now. So near the end of last year, I was given the really unique opportunity to do a collaboration with the Toronto Maple Leafs NHL hockey team. And in that opportunity, I got the chance to go bike riding with two Toronto Maple Leaf players. So the two players were Max Domi and Ryan Reeves, and we went biking right here on the Moore Beltline Trail. And the Maple Leafs have made a video of that, which they posted to their YouTube channel, which is the Toronto Maple Leafs official YouTube channel, and I'll provide a link in the description below. So some of you may have already seen that video, but if you haven't already, that was posted, I guess, back sometime in December. I'll provide a link below, and you can go and check that out. So stay tuned for the dog sledding video, and I hope you enjoy my bike riding experience with Max Domi and Ryan Reeves. Thanks for watching.